Be nice, Pearson. Aw, Pearson. Aw, he didn't mean to.
He's just a little baby like you. Go punch him. I'm kidding.
Yeah, really. Go sock him, you boys.
Don't be doing it for too long.
Just go tackle him.
You're okay. You're usually pulling everybody else's hair, you big boy. You get him, Pearson. He's a big...
Fight back, Aaron. Fight back. He's saying sorry.
Pearson.
Oh, Pearson?
Tough guy.
Beating him
Look,
up.
you're bigger than him. Come on now.
Say, Mama, I'm getting him. I got him. Hey, sweetie. He's a mess.
Hey.
Aaron.
That was funny. Pearson had a whole...
Pearson's World.
I got a bully on my hands, don't I? What?
That's Pearson's World instead of Elmo's World. She's like, that's Pearson's World.
Ow! Ow, Pearson.
Well, gosh, we all think he's beating y'all both up. You big wiener.